Ito na, continuation na to ng Don Bell kanina. Wait
So
lang.
much you've gone through together. So never forget na
Tingnan natin
mahal
to.
mo yung isa't- mahal mo yung
Mahirap kasi
isa't
mag-edit pag mahaba.
And huwag mo
Yes,
kalimutan
Bell,
na mahalin
tutuloy.
ang sarili mo.
Huwag mo kalimutan mahalin ang sarili mo.
Before you love someone, love
Sige,
yourself
magtinginan
first.
sila. Pagkatapos ng isa,
tira ka ng konti para sa sarili.
titingin yung
Kasi
isa.
tendency give tayo ng give na nauubusan tayo, diba? So, love yourself and take it easy on yourself.
Without spoiling other parts of the film that you can really relate to what happened in your life or your relationships.
Manonood ba kayong lahat tonight?
Yes.
Oh, you are? Ah,
Yes.
perfect. But not all of you have watched it yet.
No.
Okay, nice. How can we relate to the movie?
Siguro, as for me, as for my character, I feel like Mel also loves the way Cheska does. As in,
Like what? Kasi hindi ko pa naman napanood. Paano naman?
My everything to the person I love, as long as that person is the right one for me.
Miss Ben? I'm sorry. People should still patronize going to theaters.
Iba pa rin talaga yung pakiramdam pag nasa cinema ka. Maririnig mo hiyawan ng tao, maririnig mo yung, kunyari, horror, pinapanood mo rin yung takot lahat. You get to watch with people, one material, and coming out of that cinema, iba't iba kayo ng, kasi ganito yan eh. When a writer writes a story, the story is theirs. When the writer gives us the story is ours. When we show you the story is yours. So it's up to your interpretation. And that's what I love watching in the that's why I love watching in the cinema. Whenever I go out as an audience, iba-iba yung interpretation ng tao. And we get to talk about it.
Alam mo rin yung magsalita.
I mean, we all have to admit, iba pa rin yung nasa sinehan tayo, di ba? Kasi even the way we made the movie, those shots, everything, si Direk Cathy, yun yung naiisip niya, yung pag big screen talaga.
Very intricate.
And it's very intentional also. When you enter a cinema, for the sake of watching there with your friends and family, yun talaga yung purpose nyo. All of you are there together. You know, wala kayong phones. Sana naman, di ba? Hindi kayo, parang lahat kayo nandun para sa isang purpose, di ba? Yun, parang namimiss na natin yung mga ganun niya, yung parang hindi ka na mag-iisip na, I have so many choices, maybe this is what we'll do. And then pag ayaw mo, next na. Di ba? Ito kasi lahat kayo pupunta doon. And
True
whether you
naman.
like it or not, you're there
True
together
naman.
and experiencing it together. I think nothing beats that. It's like magic, honestly, when you're there in the cinema and you're going through the same thing. Iba talaga. Nakakamiss yung mga ganong pangyayari, di ba? So, we hope that that slowly comes back and we're just very, very happy that people have supported this film.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Let's go, Panda!
Ay, hello. Hala, nang-aakit doon. Parang iba si Donnie doon. Ay, hello. Kailangan mo talaga itaas yung kamay doon. Yan ang sila tutuloy mo dyan. Doon ba 3 years pala ito, no? Doon ba 3 years? That's it. And having their own world. Diba? Sabihin yung doon talaga sila malagi. Ay, kahit sabihin mo, yan mo, tingnan mo, parang wala silang nakasilang ibang tao, kundi silang dalawa lang. Diba? At may pahabol ka pa doon. Ano yung pahabol ni Donnie? Patingin? Ay, hindi si Donnie. Tingnan mo nagpapabili. Ay. Ano yung pahabol ni Donnie dyan? Ay, talaga naman talaga. Ay, sisa. Saan nalakihan tayo nito? Ay, siko, kita. Ay, yun yung babol.
Dun, Bill,
Ito.
Kung hindi kayo sumigaw ng sobrang lakas.
Ano? Mamaya na to, mamaya
Isang
na.
love team na
Ay, what is it? POV were late when my girlfriend was growing up. When was this one? Okay, 2022 ah. Although matagal na rin yan. Ay, gusto ko to. Anong chika dyan, Bel? Anong chika mo dyan, Bel? Ay,
Last 4 minutes.
nakikinig lang. Nakikinig. And this is ASAP. ASAP to. Yeah. Hindi daw yun. Wait lang. Oh my God. Oh my God. The ever stunning. Siguro makikita pa din naman natin sila sa mga ABS-CBN Hall, di ba? Di ba? Siguro naman, di ba? Project lang yung hindi nila gagawin. Tapos mga ABS-CBN, siguro magkasama pa din silang dalawa, di ba? When was this? Ito pa yung How to Spot a Red Flag? Si Don hindi na din nagbablog. Busy kasi, no?
Every time we go abroad, every time we go to yung mga ASAP events,
Every time we're so excited kasi nasa solo namin yung isa't isa. At least, ganon. Ganon talaga yun.
that's exactly
Every time we
what
go
wanna do.
abroad, we're so
So,
excited
we're just
kasi
excited to
masa
see
solo
them.
namin yung
We
isa't
know
isa.
they've been waiting.
We're having a
We
moment.
know that even the meet and
Di ba,
greet,
ma'am?
puno na lahat. So,
Di ba?
yeah, we're just very excited. And
Diba?
we can't wait
Tama
to
naman
see
ako,
all
di ba?
our fellow Kapamilya artists.
I guess so. Tama
every
naman
time we
ako.
go to
Feeling ko
mga
lang.
ASAP events, it's-
Tres.
We always say this, it's us bringing a taste of home to everyone there, and that's exactly what we want to do. So we're just so excited to see them. We know they've been waiting. We know that even the meet and greet, puno na lahat. So yeah, we're just very excited, and we can't wait to see all our fellow Kapamilya artists. Every time we go abroad, every time we go to yung mga ASAP events, it's we always say this, it's us bringing a taste of home to everyone there, and
You guys are heading to England right now. Ano na feeling?
Kailan,
Excitement?
wait lang, dami. Ito yung sa
sobrang
UK
excited.
sila.
Tagal na natin hinihintay ito, no?
Aray, excited sila kasi they're having their moments for today's video. Ganon. Just
And I'm so excited.
because they're having their moments for today's video. Ganon yun. Alam na alam ko na yan, Donnie and Belle. Huwag kayong ano. Ares.
Sobrang excited.
Alam na
Tagal natin
alam ko na
hinihintay
yan,
ito, no?
Donnie. I'm telling you. Wow. Alam mo naman talaga. Alam mo talaga. Totoo ba? Anyways, it is all for today's video from Gunbell. This is Google Vlog. See you on my next vlog, bye.